hot tubbers, do you have a hot tub and the cover's starting to get a little bit heavy and a little worn out and you're wondering how to order a new one? Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you exactly how to make that happen. So hey guys, welcome back. Hot tub covers are one of the things that you just have to change on your hot tub. It's regular maintenance. It's kind of like tires for your car. You just do have to replace those every once in a while. And one of the things that you'll know is it'll just start getting heavy. So on this particular cover, it's about 5 years old and it's time to replace it. This front half of the cover has just gotten really heavy. Now what I would tell you, in years past, you used to be able to get a hot tub cover in about 6 weeks. Post-COVID economy, you know, right now it's about 20 weeks. It did get up to 40 to 45 weeks to get your hot tub cover, so don't wait. Once they start going bad, they go bad very, very quickly. So if your hot tub cover starts getting really heavy, like this one's heavy, and if I let that slam, I mean, it sounds like a cannonball going off, that is a sign that it's time to replace that cover. So if you have a Watkins product, really cool thing, if you just open the cover, there is a tag right there in the middle of the cover. That's actually got your part number on it. I'll put a video right here to kind of show you what that looks like. It's got a part number on that. You call your local dealer, they will find that hot tub cover just with that part number. If you don't, you can pull your serial number off of the hot tub, and that's in the bottom right corner of the hot tub. Again, I'll put another video here on where to find that at. But if you have those serial numbers, you can get everything you need from a local Watkins dealer. If you don't have a Watkins product and you just need a hot tub cover and you need to replace it, you're going to need two things. You're going to need this tape measure and you're going to need a carpenter square. Any carpenter square will work. I had to actually buy one because I didn't have one, so I'll put the links for that down in the show notes or down in the description. Be sure to check that out. In fact, I'll put both of these in there just so you know how to do it. But if you need a hot tub cover, these are things that you need. So the first thing you need to do is, we're going to close this back up. So the first thing you need to do is you need to close the hot tub cover, and you need to figure out if you need a front to back cover or a side to side cover. A front to back cover is going to be a cover that opens up and goes to the back of the hot tub. How do you know what's the front and what's the back? Your control panel is always the front of the hot tub. So if you have a control panel and the cover opens to the back of that, make sure that you order a front to back. If you want it to open this way, then you have to order a side to side cover. Now the hot springs and the calderas and all the Watkins products, those actually have a special cover in them, or special brackets built in those so that the cover lifters will work. Be sure to ask for those if you do have a Watkins cover lift on your hot tub. But the first thing you need to do is you're going to take your tape measure and you're going to measure from one angle to the other. And a lot of times you'll think they're square, but they're really not. So it helps if you have two people, but I don't today. So this one is 7'7" that way. And then if I go across this way, it is 8'4". Yep, it's 8'4" this way. And I actually know the dimensions of that, so that actually helps quite a bit too. And most dealers do know. If you know what year your hot tub is, they can actually figure out the dimensions of your hot tub. This is the part that's really the hard part. You do have to know the radius of your corners, and every hot tub has a different radius of the corner. So what I mean by that, that's this angled corner right here. Most of them are not a 90 degree. So most of them don't go like this. Most of them have a curve in there. So what you have to do is you actually have to lay this carpenter square on the corner, and then I'll show a video from my phone here. But wherever they touch on these at the same spot on this, that will be the radius of your corner. So on this particular hot tub, I'm going to set that up here, and the first place this actually touches on both sides, and it should be the same number on both sides, is 6 inches. So the radius of this hot tub is 6 inches. So if I were to replace this cover, I would call the dealer and I would say, hey, I need a front to back Grandee cover. They could probably figure it out from there, but if you don't, You'd say I need a front to back Grandee cover, 7'7" by 8'4", and it's got a 6-inch radius. And then you pick out your color and you're good to go. It is gonna take 20 to 30 weeks to get it right now, but that is how you order your hot tub covers. If you have any other questions, make sure to reach out to me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, hit the subscribe button, do all the things that help me help you become a happy hot tub owner.